Got me decent camera out, found it at last. So the little ones, they're learning how to eat. Learning how to eat. Dad is eating and teaching by way of demonstration. This little one here, he's not so good at eating. It's not as good as he could be. And this one, I think, is probably a little bit better. Yeah, moved on to another patch of seeds already. So this is a king parrot, a male king parrot. Look at them, getting annoyed with each other for some reason. He's got annoyed. Why has he got annoyed? He wants to eat. He wants to eat what his dad's eating. That's what he wants. He's going to get a mouthful of whatever it is they feed each other. What is it when they regurgitate their... He's gone off into a world of his own. He's quite pleased with his seed eating, but I don't think he's done as well as the noisy little sibling. He's sitting, he just feels he can get a gullet full of, yeah. He's trying hard to get those seeds from underneath the wings of his child. He's had enough, hasn't he? Like, he's pissed off with this, he's going to go. Oh well. Yeah. Oh, now they're both having a proper. Geez, it's hard being a parent, isn't it? I mean, I'm not a parent, but I can imagine that just what kids would be like. Yeah, get out of here as well. Oh, he's chasing off the Rosella. Yeah, Rosella. Goddamn Rosellas. Oh, he's having a fight. Rosella versus King Parrot. And I'm stuck with the two children. They don't even know where he's gone. Well, I can't look after you. You've got to figure out life on your own. Beautiful eyes. You've got the childish face that... Hard to tell if it's a male or female. It's female, I suppose. But I think the striped wings come later. That's the way you're learning. You're learning to eat a seed. Well, your dad might... Oh no, there he is. Dad's just watching. Wondering, should I just nick off? Oh, he's having a drink from... the gutters. Manually focus. Thirsty work, raising children. Yeah, so cockatoo agrees. I'm a little bit scared. I'm surprised you haven't taken off. So manual focus, and that's it. This Canon XF100, you have to utilise the manual focus a bit. You can't eat that, you silly bird. They're just curious about life. Yes, it's a bit of grass. Try seed again. You seem quite content at the moment. What's going on in your mind? Well, you're trying to eat that seed, I see, with mixed success. There they go, asking for Dad. The children are safe with me. The children are safe. They've spotted you though. They want more food. What she might... Yeah, he's going to feed him. He gets a feed. Yeah, focused. Geez, it's hard work, isn't it? He's looking for the other one. Does that want to feed? Oh, the thirsty bird. I don't know what I'm saying. We had to go get that water so we could do that. It's kind of gross, isn't it? Ugh.